What's good, guys, girls? Welcome to Bitcoin Cash Live. Yo, chatty, hello universe, hello future millionaires. Do we got is that Gabriel on the other side of that? Is that Korean boy? Is that Mr. Gabriel? Bitcoin Jason, what's good? Boy, what you smoking? Something pretty good, my man. Happy Friday, happy Saturday, happy weekend. Guys, if you're just tuning in, or you're catching it on repeat, we are live, guys. Bitcoin Cash, we are totally live. Come down to the chat room, bring your friends, family, your grandma. They're on the fence about watching cryptos and kind of looking at them and sitting on the sidelines, kind of watching. Send them a link to the channel. Maybe they can catch a live show and come in and ask any questions about Bitcoin Cash, any questions about crypto. If we don't know the answer, we will surely find out. Got a whole team of people in the chat usually. Can answer any questions about cryptos. No pump and dumps here. Just good old-fashioned crypto hodlers. Welcome to the chat, guys. If you're just tuning in, give it a little bit of time, see if anybody joins. It's the weekend, it's Friday, it's Saturday, depending on where you're at. Welcome to the weekend. Alright, Korean boy says he picked up 20 BCH today. That's amazing, guys. Good for you, bro. Are you Gabriel? You said hello, future millionaires. That seems to be a topic. Gabriel is a topic of discussion over here on this channel. So, Jose Jr. Satane, if I didn't pronounce that right, man, welcome, brother. Thank you for your compliment, your kind words. You always have good comments on my videos, man. Thank you so much for catching the live stream. Guys, if you're just tuning in, we're doing a live Bitcoin Cash podcast, video cast, whatever. Feel free to bring your thoughts on Bitcoin Cash or any crypto that you have for the day to discussion. Gladly love to discuss any subject matters that you might have regarding Bitcoin Cash and any other interesting crypto projects are up for discussion as well. We'll let the community decide if it's worth talking about, but nonetheless, feels like 2017 all over again, guys. Sure does, my man. No, it's not Gabriel. Thank you, Bitcoin Jason. I guess it would say Gabriel in the icon if he came to the chat. I wish he'd come to the chat. I like Mr. Gabriel. YouTube is first milli. Okay. Korean boy. And you're the man, brother. 20 BCH today, you said you bought. Good for you, bro. Guys, if you're just tuning in, we're just kind of getting going here. Waiting to see if anybody else joins. Not that there's any real plan in motion for this evening, but nonetheless, give it a minute to see if anybody comes to the chat. Bitcoin Jason, Stark Origin, you're back. Thank you. Bitcoin Jason, yes, he is already here, guys. He has arrived at the chat. He says, did you see the BCH stress test? I think I can relate. And we can always pull it up too, guys. Hope everybody's doing wonderful today. It's a great day to be alive, guys. Great, take every minute for it. Don't take any minute for granted. Alright, Bitcoin Jason, we're gonna go Australian dollar just because it's accessible. And guys, if you guys want to send me Bitcoin Cash, I got my QR code up in the top right corner. Last night, Bitcoin Jason demonstrated a great way of sending peer-to-peer electronic cash across the internet, borderless. We're in two totally different countries. He's in Australia. He's in the land down under, doing his thing down there with Bitcoin Cash, building out payment merchants, adoption, and things of that sort. But we single-handedly, within a few minutes, conducted a very, very honest transaction. He just wanted to send me some Bitcoin Cash. My QR code's in the top right corner. Feel free to send a micropayment. Feel free to send anything that you like. I'm not asking for it from a beggar's. I don't need it. I just love the fact that we can do it, guys. The whole idea of cryptocurrency is peer-to-peer electronic cash. Bitcoin Jason did send me a payment in Bitcoin Cash last night over the internet, and it was great. It was an amazing experience receiving that, and he's in an entirely different country. So it just shows you guys how easy it is to do. If you don't use Bitcoin Cash regularly on a payment, give me a way to send give me your address, and I'll gladly send you a Bitcoin Cash payment. And my QR code, like I said, in the top right corner. Feel free to send me Bitcoin Cash, guys. It's just an amazing, fun experience every time you use it. So, yeah, we're just getting going. I'm just seeing if anybody joins the chat. Got a couple new people coming in. I figure we would just because it's the weekend. We're in weekend mode, guys. Throwing it down. Appreciate you turning up tonight. I'm on California time, guys. It's getting kind of late over here, so expect a short run. But we're opening up the live podcast, guys. Any questions, any concerns, any topic matters regarding crypto, Bitcoin Cash would be greatly appreciated. Just bought ₚ just bought 260 BCH following his address. So Chad, the thumbnails are a lot better. Puts you on the mood. Yeah, Stark Origin. I was doing that for you, so just know that the little things I'm doing is because for you. So working on the backgrounds, little thumbnails, spending a little more time with them, not letting my own demented mind really control those. Trying to do it more for the audience. So hope you like them. Stark Origin, guys. If you're just turning out, welcome to Bitcoin Cash Live show. Everybody's welcome on this show, guys. Feel free to drop a comment, a chat. Love to get your feedback. A lot of good people always in the chat every night. Just live, guys. Bitcoin Cash weekend. Hashtag. Guys, I'm on no other social media. It was brought up the other night that maybe I should do like an Instagram or a Twitter or something like that. My goal at the end of the day is not to become a YouTube superstar. This is my only outlet to really talk to crypto, guys. I would love to just walk into a grocery store and randomly take advantage of just blabbing my mouth about crypto. And I do that when I get the opportunity, but really I just love going on here, opening up discussion about crypto, getting feedback. I mean, every night I'm on here, guys, is fun for me. So if you're coming out, you're liking coming out, please continue to come out, show support. Even if you got to do something or you got to do something that day, if you see us online, come by, say hey, drop your name in. At some point I'd like to maybe get some award and like giveaways and stuff like that on here. I'd be all for it. So this is something that you can come and you can drop by. If you got questions about crypto, you see something that you might be a scam alert or something like that, that's why this channel's here. It's open for pretty much discussion, open discussion on crypto. We can talk about anything. We can bring up any graph. We can have a TA run from the chat room. Anything's good here. Everything's game here. Everything's uncensorable. Feel free to, turn up, turn out, whatever. Got a couple people joining the chat, so if you're new, welcome to the show, guys. Welcome to Live Crypto Show. So, guys, apparently ₚWoo's buying Bitcoin Cash. This guy's a billionaire, so he has holdings in all sorts of mining and infrastructure past just building the mining rigs for mining. So ₚWoo's constantly on top of the game, and he seems to kind of take it a little personal. Which, if you're a Bitcoin person, in the last, since whenever, before the last rally, I can see how people take it really personal. If the payment system is essentially being destroyed in front of your eyes, and it's not good, but you're just letting it happen, and I realize the fee goes up, the price goes up, but that little part of tokenomics can be adjusted. You can do different things, scarcity, altcoins, whatever. There's a whole list of different instruments you can use to control the price. But some people chose and did one thing, some people chose and did another thing, and here we are, guys. You landed at the channel for the other thing, Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin, peer-to-peer electronic cash. It's designed to be a payment system that can transact trustlessly with another party without the need for an intermediary. You don't need a bank. You don't need anything. You can open up a wallet. And you know what? My brother actually today brought a really good question. He's not totally new to crypto. I brought my brother up before. He actually heard about Bitcoin when it first was being sold on the internet years ago, and I actually think I remember him mentioning it something. The more he kind of talks about it, he just got into it though, where he kind of started buying it a little bit. So he asked me an important question today. So his question was, he had a wallet on Coinbase. I guess Coinbase now is doing you have a trading wallet, and then you have a wallet. I know it sounds kind of confusing, but you have basically two wallets. One for trading, if you're going into a trade or executing a trade or thinking about doing a trade, or if you just want to hold money in it. It's just a different wallet. It doesn't have you don't have your seed phrase, I believe, to that wallet. It's basically Coinbase's wallet for you on your behalf. Now, back to his question. His question was, can you get another wallet if you have your seed phrase to one wallet, can you have another wallet, like an Exodus wallet, or like I use a Badger wallet, or just any kind of other wallet? So let me explain this if you don't understand the concept of that. Your private key gives you the keys to spin your Bitcoin. It's not like it's the only thing that holds your Bitcoin. It's the only thing that holds the power for you to spin your Bitcoin. But you can access that from different wallets. As long as you have your private seed phrase, you know it, you memorize it. It's 12 words, whatever you have to memorize. Memorize it, do whatever you can, write it down, whatever. You can open that wallet from anywhere in the world. You get a wallet, if you lose your phone, you lose your identity, and you're somehow in the middle of nowhere with an internet connection, well, you can download your wallet, multiple wallets, pick one, and download a wallet and have access to your money right then and there, from a computer, from a phone, anywhere. So yes, your seed phrase, you can open it up on different wallets. You can take that seed phrase and open it up on a Coinbase wallet, on an Exodus wallet, on any wallet you want, and you get those funds. Now, if it's like a multi-sig wallet, you got different wallets on there that aren't Bitcoin Cash. You're only going to get access to Badger wallet only has Bitcoin Cash. So if I go into, and I actually did this today and kind of technically walked myself through it just to experience it. And yes, you only get your Bitcoin Cash from your Bitcoin Cash wallet if it's from another wallet that is for that same coin. You can't have multiple. You don't get your balance from your Exodus wallet on Badger wallet. It doesn't work like that. It's only obviously your coins that exist on the blockchain of that coin, and that wallet supports. That's the most important part. Does the wallet support it? Now, those funds aren't gone. They're just not on that wallet. Your seed phrase will pull up other funds for other wallets. So it's pretty cool stuff. If you didn't know that, a lot of people already know that, but if you didn't know that, my brother asked me, and it was a really good question. I could see what he was talking about. All right, I'm just gonna go through these texts, guys. If you're just joining in, we're live. It's Friday evening where I'm at. I know it's Saturday in parts of the world. We got all people in the chat, guys. We got Bitcoin Jason in the chat. He's from Australia, guys. Feel free to ask him any kind of Bitcoin Cash related questions, crypto related questions. Anything's up for discussion. He's big on merchant adoption. We got Stark Origin in the house again. White Tea, Korean Boy Jay. Figuring we'd get some new people coming in just because it's the weekend. So if you're here, guys, we're glad you landed here. We're basically just live. Come on the channel. We're here for everybody else. We're here for ourselves too, because we get enjoyment out of the fact that it's just an open discussion for crypto. So anything on the channel is up for discussion. Feel free to, it's Friday night. I will take a music request or two. Feel free to put in a music request. It's Friday night. I'm catering to you. All right, okay, I'm just gonna go through these texts here, guys, because I'm on my phone. Haven't updated the setup here. It's probably a couple months out for me really doing any kind of big moves on it. So I'm reading off my phone some of these texts. So if I'm not engaged in the text, I will get around to it. We're not getting crazy amounts of text, but if you got any questions about cryptocurrency, you're new to crypto, or you like crypto, or there's stuff you like about crypto, feel free. The chat room is yours. Take the floor and throw down a chat. All right, BCH, your biggest bag. I'm just gonna read through all these before I just hear the markets of signing. Yeah, so first off, just to clarify, I'm not getting a crazy car with any kind of winnings of crypto. I got 2 cars that are, amazingly almost paid off. One of them's paid off. One of them I'm kind of just letting ride. I have a Tesla as well. It's nothing fancy. It's just a base model, but I plan on really holding my Bitcoin Cash and really just trying not to spend it, as I would any other thing I think is really valuable. I'm gonna probably try to hold on to it for pretty much as long as I'm alive. All right, fears in the market is subsiding. Yeah, I don't know if there's really fear in the market, guys, or not. I guess that's just personal opinion. I don't know if fear in the market is subsiding. So, Bitcoin Jason, I guess he's saying that, that the fear in the market's kind of subsiding. People are coming back in. China stocks have rallied super volatile recently. I saw Billy up like 60% the other week. It's gone down and then gone back up, and then the weed cannabis stocks have been going crazy. I don't really try to play stocks right now, guys, just because I've tried to kind of get out of that. Honestly, it's just too risky. I'm just not good at timing the market. And with crypto, I can still invest my money and feel like I have an investment while I'm holding currency. So you gotta think, if you don't think crypto is money, guys, you're missing the point. Literally think of it as investment and money. It's really the best money that's available at this time is Bitcoin Cash. Even though it's super volatile right now, like it's 481 Australian dollars. I don't know what that number really means to Australia people. In America, it's like $350 or something like that. So the way that the tokenomics and the way that the computer software and coins pump, the way they move is in sync with the system that has created them in the first place. So even though they're their own individual coin and they're their own individual liquidity pile and they're traded at different exchanges and so on, different type mining, different type proof of stake, proof of work, pre-mined, there's so many different variables that could change the market. So I want you to realize that just because Bitcoin Cash is sitting at $481 one day in this endless cycle of time, this number right now, you could add a 0 to it, put a comma in between it, and it could be the number very quickly, and nobody would really even notice. There would be a good bit of people that noticed, but the majority of the people in the world would not notice until Bitcoin Cash was at like 20K. That's when it would get the final little bit of attention and maybe retreat a little bit. But do I think Bitcoin Cash can go to 20,000 within a few months? Absolutely. And I know that's adding billions and billions and tens of billions of market cap to an asset class. So I don't want to be anybody to be confused on maybe that I don't understand the amount of how much money it would take to do that. And to give you a precise analysis of what that number would be, I could easily do it, guys. You can do it for yourself. So I'm going to show you how to do it for yourself. You can literally go to market cap, calculator, token price. You can go here, you can go to one of these pre-made, there's plenty of them on the internet. You type in the circulating supply, you can type that in. I don't know what Bitcoin Cash is exactly right now. I think it's like 18 million. So I don't know exactly how many are in circulation, but let's just say it's 18 million. 350. So I think there's a little more in circulation than that. It doesn't matter, you get the point. So you just type in the value of the token that you want, how many are in circulation, you'll get the market cap. These are very easy to use, guys, so I'm not going to go how to tell you how to find these, but my point is I understand how big adding this money to the market cap. So we're looking at 64 billion US. So we're looking, we were looking at Australian dollars a minute ago. I understand how much of a difference this is. So just hear me out here. Do I think we could even go crazier than that? Absolutely. I just did add another zero, 35K. Is this a possible market cap for Bitcoin Cash in the future? Absolutely. 649 billion. We're at 7 billion kind of right now, kind of under that a little bit. So very clear to you what numbers we're talking about. I'm totally up to date with everybody on current size of asset classes. This is a huge number, but could we go there? Absolutely. So easy. This would take one merchant adoption from a major payment system in retail. We have that now. It's coming. It's kind of being tested out. Square's been testing out stuff too, and they're doing shit with Lightning Network. But the real access doesn't matter. That we have a whole globe of people that will use Bitcoin Cash. It's just gonna be the way to go for it. It just makes sense. It's literally way affordable. It puts them in charge of their money. It's way easier to use. It's literally, the system's already set up for them. So, it doesn't have to be like America takes it there. The whole world's huge and everybody transacts. So the free market can find a price for this. It'll all pour into it. All right, I'm just gonna read some of the chats here, guys. Guys, if you're just turning in, live Bitcoin Cash, literally just a live feed. Feel free to drop by. It's an uncensorable. The only thing that is going to censor maybe is YouTube. I won't censor anything. Feel free to drop by, say hello, and welcome to the channel. Korean boy, I went down. Yes, this calculator is accurate. My numbers might not be accurate, so I can give you a more clear-cut number on. What I like to let you know, and feel free to disagree, guys, with anything that I say. I am not trying to. I do not like confrontation, so just to be upfront with everybody, I don't want anybody to. Think I'm ever being confrontational with anybody. So guys, today we're at top 4 volume. We moved down a place in market cap, but we have moved up 2 places in volume. So we're sitting really good, guys, right now. Literally at spot number 4, right behind Ethereum, right behind Bitcoin, right behind Tether, of course, but we don't really know where all this money is really flowing to, guys. This could be propping up a whole nother market right here. But you know, nonetheless, I'm not saying Tether's a bad thing. All right, where are we at here, guys? So Bitcoin Cash. This is a 24-hour. Here's a circulating supply. So basically, guys, you just take the number you want. This is saying that Bitcoin Cash has got, there we go, yeah, 19 million. So I was a little off. But you take the circulating supply, and then you just find one of these calculators. It's just a plug and chug kind of math problem. So that's the market cap. So right now, Bitcoin Cash is trading at about, this is Australian dollars. If you have any questions, guys, please address the chat. It might get answered there or by me, depending on what you ask. But I don't know how we ended up doing this, but I think I was answering somebody's question eventually. Oh yeah, this thing does work, but I did forget what we were trying to find before this. So it's about $360 for Bitcoin Cash. So here's the market cap. So it should match up pretty close. Yeah, 6.848. So there you go. Yeah, it's pretty accurate. I mean, it's just accurate. It's a plug and chug. This does the calculation for you, so it automatically does it. You just put in the price. So basically, for Bitcoin Cash to go to 20K, we're looking at a $380 billion market cap, which is basically unheard of for any kind of market to move that fast, that quick. But could we do it? Absolutely. Absolutely we could. Guys, if you're just joining the chat, welcome to Bitcoin Cash Live Uncensored Chat. Feel free to ask anything. I'm gonna go back to the good old greenback right now, guys. Pull up Bitcoin Cash against the dollar. Everybody that watches my channel knows it's not a big focus of mine. I mean, I do look at the dollar, don't get me wrong. We look at it on here all the time, but nonetheless, I'm trying to find a good one. So TradingView, guys, if you're not, I just started using TradingView, honestly, guys. I'm not very familiar with it, but they do pull all their sources from different exchanges. So just bear in mind that if you hit an exchange that they just listed Bitcoin Cash, and I'm just using Coinbase as an example. It's been on Coinbase for a while, but say they just listed Bitcoin Cash, their graph is not going to go back to 2017 to the fork. It's going to go back to whenever they listed it. So just bear in mind that finding accurate data should always be your #1 priority in researching anything, whether it be price, a bet you want to put on, on a stock or crypto, a short-term, long-term bet on a crypto or stock. Make sure you know where you're getting your data. So one place that I love to go, I mean, CoinMarketCap's great. I know people love this. Binance owns this, so of course they made it very nice and upgraded it from what it used to look like, with different kind of casino. It has like kind of a casino type feel. I really like World Coin Index. It's really like my favorite one. Has been for a really long time, and I found this one on my own when I first got into crypto. I don't remember how, but I did find it. It's really just fantastic because it's got all the currencies that are really world dominant currencies over here, fiats, and Bitcoin and Ethereum, and it's got the ability to give you an accurate graph. A lot of the graphs that you see online, they're just really not accurate. This is at least accurate. I know it doesn't give you all the accurate tools and all the cool stuff to like really zone in on the stock, but you at least can compare what you see here for, say, like so let me just give you an example. Quantum. This coin's been around for a while, but most places you're probably not going to get any of this data over here, which is huge. I mean, this is like a massive chunk of data right here, right? So you might get like 2019 or less forward. So you're missing all this. So you can always go back to World Coin Index, pull up the overall chart, and then find a validated third-party trading site like TradingView or whatever you use, Yahoo Finance, whatever you use, whatever software you use, whatever, and then you can compare it and see if it at least goes all the way back. This coin's gonna pump too, by the way. Quantum, if anybody's holding this, you're looking at 25-30x. Guys, if you're just tuning in, it's weekend Bitcoin Cash. We're live. It's getting late over here, so we're kind of fading through cyberspace. But if you're on a free moment of time, drop by, say hello, introduce yourself, guys. We got a great group of people in the house. People drop by all the time. Feel free to drop by, stay, leave, come back. We're on everybody else's schedule here, guys. I just opened up this live feed for anybody that's just getting into crypto, wanting to stop by, wanting to like learn about crypto, be brought up to date. You know, we're not sitting around like doing programming and stuff like that, but we kind of follow the space. So you reached the right spot. Feel free to ask anything, guys. Don't be shy. Got an open chat room. Some people will answer the chats. If I can get to them, I will too. We got Bitcoin Jason in the house, guys. Feel free to ask him anything, guys. He's definitely knows his stuff. We got Korean boy, White Tea in the house. Kind of the same people here, guys. David Cardenas, thank you for coming back, my good man. Good to see you tonight. Matthew Howie, welcome back as well. Matthew Howie, thank you for coming back too, by the way. Mr. Cardenas, thank you for coming as well. David Cardenas, thank you. Guys, if you're just catching this or catching it on the rerun, live Bitcoin Cash video feed, feel free to drop by, have a cup of coffee if it's early, have a cup of tea if it's late, drop by, relax. We're here to talk crypto, guys, live. So I was kind of like just going off on a side tangent. Yeah, quantum definitely gonna pump, probably gonna go up 30x, very, very easily. I mean, you start looking at all these fiat currencies, you start getting confused. I mean, right now I'm on the ruble. It's not looking very good. It's looking, it's just looking terrible for fiat currencies, guys. Bad monetary policy gets us in these predicaments. Then when we're fighting for a cause that doesn't even matter, this stupid COVID thing, it's just all really just a real big fucking scam and a big fuck you from the government. So sorry to say, guys, you know, we can try to repair this with crypto. It's probably the best shot we got. I would say that the government's pretty much hoping on crypto too. They're hoping maybe crypto can somehow level out this playing ground for fiats again. But you know, China's ahead of the game, guys. They're already making their digital yuan. It's already in circulation. They gave people digital yuan as a stimulus. It's already in motion, guys. It's already happening. So, you know, countries waiting around will have a hard time pegging their currency because there'll be no way to transfer the wealth. The system will not work. It just doesn't work the way they think that it works. The big rally, guys, is just begun. This little coin right here, and you could call it little, big, quantum, this coin's gonna go up 30x, okay? So we're at whatever currency you like, whatever one you're in, times it by 30, that's what it's gonna be. So welcome to reality. That's what's gonna happen. So Bitcoin Cash is gonna do it, Quantum's gonna do it, Monero, Dash, Zcash, all of them, guys. They're all gonna pump. So if you're just tuning in, guys, welcome to the chat. So White Tea, you're broke, man. I feel you, man. I'm broke too, bro. That's what the government does to you, man. They want you to just keep working until you just can't even work anymore, and then they want to take all your money. That's why I hold Bitcoin Cash, brother. You got to. It's the only way to hedge yourself against it. Buying BH is the biggest political statement one can make. Yeah, definitely Bitcoin, Jason. You definitely got it with that one for sure. Bitcoin, Jason, don't you need a credit score? You got no bank. I must have missed something there. Bitcoin, Jason, are you unbanked? He could very likely be living on only Bitcoin Cash. Guys, if you don't know Bitcoin Jason, he kind of does crypto kind of as a business, as like setting merchants up. It's more of like I guess it's more of like a foundation. He's just kind of freelancing himself, getting merchants hooked up with Bitcoin Cash. But I guess that would be a foundation because he's put a lot of money into helping people onboard to Bitcoin Cash. I guess you got to buy them the the hardware or whatever to transact or whatever you got to do. So he's down in Australia. He probably doesn't even need a banking account. All the merchants around there take Bitcoin Cash, so it's similar to like St. Kitts and Nevis, some of the other Caribbean countries, the Bahamas, all that stuff. I don't know what degree or how big Townsville, Australia is, but you could look it up. He does have this city pretty much on Bitcoin Cash, so he might not have a banking account. Everyone needs to get at least 10% or 20% each pay. Oh, and Bitcoin Cash, that would be phenomenal if everybody could get like a percentage of their pay in Bitcoin Cash or a crypto of their choice. And you could offer several different cryptos. I don't want anybody to think like Bitcoin Cash is the only crypto that I like on here, guys. I have a whole list of cryptos that I like. Some I own, some I don't. But Bitcoin Cash is definitely on the top of the list, guys. Some other cryptos I like is Ethereum Classic. I know it's kind of high recently, but I've been holding it for a really long time. So for me, I really enjoy Ethereum Classic. I really enjoy Bitcoin SV. I know a lot of people on this channel. Did I lose anybody? Whenever I say Bitcoin SV, it's just like people fall off the channel immediately. They gone. So I like BSV too, guys. Check them out. It's a great community. It's not just Craig Wright, so just bear in mind the community is not solely Craig Wright. Great community. Check out Bitcoin SB. Digital Cash Dash is a great crypto. Monero, a great crypto. Zcash. Just try using all these crypto, guys, and you'll see that they're all really amazing, the ones that I'm telling you about. Neo is a great crypto as well, especially if you like smart contracts and like execution functions and things that actually make the world work. It's a great crypto to check out as well. But buy whatever cryptos you like. Tell me, bring some cryptos to the chat room that you like. Maybe throw one down. We can look at it together. I'll tell you my opinion on it like right when I see it. We had somebody try to recommend a crypto the other night. I don't remember what it was, but nonetheless, we looked it up. It kind of looked like a scam. So if you guys see any scams floating around, definitely drop a chat. Don't want anybody getting scammed on some stupid coins. People will scam you if they can, guys. If you don't know what you're doing, you don't know what cryptos to buy, ask people in the chat who will very clearly tell you if it's a pile of horse shit or not. Yeah, so Bitcoin Jason has just confirmed it, guys. He is an unbanked Australian citizen, which is just great. He's completely 100% BCH, so he's got everything where he can pay. He can move money around and pay whatever he needs to with Bitcoin Cash, which is amazing, guys. It does take a lot of work to do that, guys, but people like Bitcoin Jason are kind of out there making it easier for everybody in the future to use this great amazing software for the world. So I eat that Mickey D. McDonald's. Did anybody see that new Russian McDonald's that they launched over there, where they just took the sign and turned it sideways, and they're just like saying like fuck corporate America, like we're not paying you your royalties, we're just gonna open up, we're just gonna be McDonald's, and we're gonna call it fucking Russian McDonald's. BCH is money, many others are just projects. Yeah, Bitcoin Jason, For sure, man. That's a really bold statement for anybody in the chat room. If you guys like are new to BCH, or you don't like you have like other coins and you just reach this channel by chance, like Bitcoin Cash is actually a global currency, so you actually can like send it as money. You know, this might be the most basic stuff for everybody, but you know, thank you, Bitcoin Jason, for letting everybody know, because if you're just hitting the chat, guys, and you're new to crypto, man, I wish I could have found a chat like this when I was new to crypto. If not, you're out buying Terra, Solana, SHIB, and you're buying market cap coins that have no volume, absolutely no volume. I mean, go look at it for yourself, guys. Some of these coins have huge market caps, and they have little to no volume comparatively to like Bitcoin Cash. We're doing 4 billion, almost 5 billion in volume. Our market cap's not even 7 billion. These are all fucking transactions. Jason, Bitcoin Jason, his transactions that he sets up with merchants are in this liquidity pile. Okay? It's in this 19 million BCH in circulation. This is calculus, guys. You can put this stuff on a graph and compare this stuff to other coins. You guys need to check out Bitcoin Cash if you haven't yet. We're checking out the volumes there. Look at it for yourself. It's a peer-to-peer global cash. Ethereum Classic. Look at this market cap. We're up to 2 billion. I was looking at Ethereum Classic when it was like 200 million. So why can't Bitcoin Cash go to, 40 billion? I'm sorry, 60 billion. It's doable, guys. Look at the math. It's tokenomics. They're going to throw in some of these to confuse you. Solana. You know, and I'm not saying Solana's bad, guys, but you're looking at a $32 billion market cap with 2 billion in volume. Big difference in so if we took Bitcoin Cash to 32 billion and its volume was growing with that, that shows steady growth, guys. That's like the definitive way something should look if it's not only a good investment, but something that's succeeding in a market. So hear me out, guys. I'm not trying to talk technicals. I'm not here to talk technicals. I'll throw a technical here and there on a graph. We'll look at it. We'll shoot the shit about it and joke about it. There's not any other assets or stocks that are jumping like this. And just because these haven't jumped yet, you know, you saw Tesla go up. I saw Tesla when it was $40 before the 4-for-1 split. So you do the math on that, guys. These are going to pop off way bigger gains. And Ethereum Classic already did bigger gains, by the way. Did a 25x from $3 in a matter of just a few months. So, you know, Ethereum Classic, great project, guys. They said fuck you to the Vitalik's DAO hack excuse. They said let the network figure it out. You guys fucked up the code. Let the code be law. We'll fix the code, we'll move on, and we'll be stronger because of it. That's these guys. So this is Ethereum, guys. Ethereum now, ETH, that's the fork of this, really. So start looking at this, guys, from a zoomed out perspective. Don't get sucked into this new stuff. Terra, you know, I know this is a big market cap, you know, 32 billion. They're here to stay. They're probably not going anywhere. It's a big project. I don't know a lot about it. It's probably a big dev team, whatever. A lot of scams happened on here. I know a buddy that got caught up into a Terra scam. It was a token they did on Terra. Maybe it was a wallet they had on Terra. I don't know. Whatever. It was a scam either way. So, if you're just turning in, guys, welcome to Bitcoin Cash. We're a live video feed. Feel free to drop by with comments, concerns about crypto. If anybody wants to open up a feed after I go down, or if we can somehow organize it where, you know, the live feed for Bitcoin Cash and crypto can stay on YouTube and stay online, feel free to let me know. Send me an email, chadwickmbailey@gmail.com. Easy way to reach me, guys. Just send me an email. Maybe we can get another chat going. Send me a Bitcoin Cash payment, send me a micro payment, QR code in the top right corner. Drop the chat a question or a concern or a story or a cool fact, guys. A lot of cool facts have been kind of surfacing on this channel. Bitcoin Jason brought up an upgrade May 15th, I think it was, Bitcoin Jason. Maybe if you could confirm the date on that, but maybe look into that, guys. It's on my last video live stream. I think it was Cardenas or another guy on here brought up a cool Roger Ver post from RBTC, which was really cool. So if you guys got any cool things going on with crypto, definitely let the chat room know. We'll very, very quickly smell if it's bullshit. So, good stuff to know is good stuff to know. If it's bad stuff to know, we'll just know not to listen to you when you talk. Live, if you're just turning in, we're doing a live Bitcoin Cash podcast. You guys got any music requests, let me know. I'm not DJing, but I will DJ 1 or 2 songs tonight if you got a request for some music. It's kind of getting late in the evening, guys. Probably going to be a short podcast tonight. Like I said, yeah, welcome to keep the party going, but the weekend's starting here, guys. It's got to start out strong for me, so the cyber night will continue probably all night, because we have a habit of going over schedule on this live feed. So yeah, guys, this thing right here, really useful if you guys want to have some synthetic euphoric feelings in your head made up. It's great to maybe step into this reality of just craziness. Very easy to use, guys. Nice little plug and chug. You go back to this video and check it out. You can experiment with market caps, experiment with prices of coins, how much in your head you got to see this number appreciate to get to this market cap. So 380 billion, guys. That's a lot. That's a lot. But could we do it? Yes, we can, for sure. Just tuning in, guys, live Bitcoin Cash. Feel free to drop a comment. Feel free to send me some Bitcoin Cash. Top right corner, I got my Bitcoin Cash. Please let me know if you send me a payment. I like to really kind of go on there and watch the payment come in. I don't get a lot of payments on here, so if you guys do send me a payment, please let me know so I can go and look at the payment being sent, pull it up on the Block Explorer, and just really, really enjoy it. But please send some Bitcoin Cash if you can. 5 cents, a penny will work. I really get excited when people send really, really small payments, like under a penny. Those are really fun. So send me a payment. Let me know you sent a payment. And I'm going to take a break here, guys. If you're just tuning in, it's a live video feed. Bitcoin Cash, crypto, any discussion goes here, guys. I'm not going to censor anybody. If YouTube censors anybody, let us know. Let us know what's being censored. But this is a uncensored show, guys. Talk about whatever you want. Keep it crypto, but anything goes, really. Welcome to the show. Bitcoin Jason, my email is chadwickmbailey@gmail.com. Feel free to reach out to me by email, guys. You can always reach me at my email. Definitely reach out to me if you got anything that can promote Bitcoin Cash or crypto, or you think you might have a great idea. I'm always down to get something going here. A lot of stuff happening, guys, with Bitcoin Cash. A lot of stuff's going on. Really, the world is doing its thing and will inevitably come into our world. This world is decentralized. This world is free. This world is not a worry or a care about what governments will do with your money. This is our world. So if you're here, guys, just hit in the chat, drop a comment, show your boy some love, send me some Bitcoin Cash, guys. Send me a small payment. Send me your address. I would love to send people some Bitcoin Cash, guys. It's one of my favorite things. It's a great payment system, guys. If you're live, just turning in. We're live, guys. It's Bitcoin Cash. We got big bag holders in the house. I want to do a raffle, guys. Somebody come up with an idea. I'm giving away Bitcoin Cash over here. We need a raffle. We need a some kind of game or betting system. That's what's so great about this, guys. I literally can send people Bitcoin Cash from my wallet online. I can literally send any of you guys with a wallet Bitcoin Cash. I can make a game and say whoever says Bitcoin Cash in the chat room wins $100 USD Bitcoin Cash or 0.1 Bitcoin Cash. Think about it, guys. It's fast. It's literally so easy to use. It's the easiest thing in the freaking world to use. A Neanderthal monkey could use this. Okay? It's the easiest thing in the world. You know what? Every time you use it, I always get scared when I use it. You know why? It's not because I think I'm confused or I don't know what I'm doing or oh my god, what am I doing? No, I get super scared when I use this because I don't want to lose any. I don't even care if it's like, you know, 0.001. I don't want to lose any of it. I don't want to lose any Bitcoin Cash. Now, if I have to send somebody Bitcoin Cash and make some noise on the internet because I sent somebody Bitcoin Cash, I definitely will do that. Absolutely. I will absolutely do that. But when I can get on here and I can send a freaking micropayment that I cannot do on most networks, I understand there's a few. There's other networks I can do this on. This isn't unique to Bitcoin Cash, as Mark Cuban said. This isn't even unique to Bitcoin Cash, but there's also a user friendliness here, guys, too, that can't go unnoticed. Nonetheless, guys, that's literally half the fun of it, is sending Bitcoin Cash online. I mean, this is like, I never get old. I never get tired of it. I never get burnout on Bitcoin Cash. I never am like, oh my gosh, okay, it's a payment system, so what? I'm always like, oh my gosh, it's a payment system. I can't get it out of my head. Guys, I'm taking a break. We'll be back, guys. If you're just tuning in, it's live Bitcoin Cash. Feel free to drop a chat. Feel free to drop a comment. Feel free to drop anything you want. You can go drop a deuce if you want to take a break. I'm taking a break, guys. I'll be back. If you guys got any cool topics or maybe something we can discuss, that would be great if we actually had a lead with a discussion here. I'm probably going to pull up some graphs, maybe look at a few altcoins, see where this volume is, because I want to know how long it's going to take it to get to Bitcoin Cash. Shouldn't be too much longer. Be back, guys. Drop a comment. If you're just tuning in, it's a live feed, guys. Feel free to ask anybody in the chat any questions or concerns. A little history of the chat. It's been going on for a couple days now, getting about 100 to or 50 to 100 people kind of coming through, 50 to 80, 90 people coming through if I run the chat for a few hours. I'd like to take this number much higher, guys, so if you have anybody that is new to crypto that wants to come down here and just ask some questions, let a good group of people, let them know what's going on, and we will guide them into the yes, Bitcoin Jason, I can definitely see the message just popped up on my phone, so I did receive your email. Oh yeah, this was actually the photo I was talking about the other day about the min pool. Jason, do you care if I show this to the community here? I don't think you mind, but I don't want to pull up I don't know if your email address will show up. I don't want to just give away yeah, I don't think it does. It just says Bitcoin Jason. Do you mind if I put this up? Give me the okay and I'll do it. I don't want to just be holding your email, but this is the exact photo Bitcoin Jason just sent me of the mempool photo, or the mempool I was talking about the other night, guys. So it's basically the photo he sent me is not the it's not the full photo. So when your transaction's being wait to be put into the block, right? You're sitting on the sidelines. You're literally, it's like an auction. Who can get on the bus to get their transaction put into the block and verified, right? So Bitcoin Cash doesn't have this issue, guys. It streamlines these payments so fast that the scale is infinite. You can keep scaling and get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. All right, you gave me the go ahead, so you said it, Jason. All right, so think of this area right here, guys, as the mempool. This is all the transactions waiting to go on to the next, get put into the next block. All the little digital signatures over there are those humans sitting in the mempool, waiting to be put on that blockchain, guys. So it cracked me up, Bitcoin Jason, when you sent me this, because this is the exact photo I was thinking. Now the photo I was thinking also has Bitcoin on the other side with just a few people, and they're all waiting to get on that little and this network's crowded too, so maybe this isn't the best example, but it was pretty funny to get this photo. So it's a great photo, guys. It's just a great illustration in my head when I see this, because it's like we don't have that problem for Bitcoin Cash payments. We just don't. I mean, even if you could arguably say, oh well, all the well, what's the problem? So it's like all the blocks are empty, or you can use almost any excuse in the book, but okay. The network doesn't have fees that rise to stupid high levels, ever. We don't ever have that problem on Bitcoin Cash. And even if the network was stress test, which they've done on BSV, let me tell you, it's already been done. They've already hit terabyte blocks on BSV recently, within the last 4 months. These are blockchains that are being more aggressive with the space, liberating the space, allowing it to be a free market space. We don't want people like Twitter coming in here, Facebook, all these people, and building out this off-chain payment crap that they funnel all the money to, and inevitably get access to more Bitcoin. The race is on, guys. There's not going to be any more Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV. All right, guys. How are you tonight, guys? That's Australia working. Some projects on BSV that are interesting, but they're rather small at the moment. Not sure if they will go anywhere. One of them is chess on the blockchain. Something about tournaments with instant payouts that works. The next upgrade is BCH repair for agent systems. Can't see the picture, bro. Yeah, Jason, I know the picture's kind of blurry from my phone. No, I think there's a way I can bring it up a little clearer. How do I do this? Guys, I'm not the most tech savvy person, believe it or not. Even though I'm into crypto. Give me a second. I think I can make it display pretty well here. Display capture. I think this is it. Maybe, I don't know. Okay, it's not the biggest photo, but I mean, I guess it kind of works. I don't know, guys. Do you see that? I mean, so yeah. So the photo that I'm thinking about it in my head because it's funny. Let me see if I can find the damn photo. It's worth pulling up here. I want to show everybody this photo because it's just so freaking funny. What would that photo be? BCH, Bitcoin, mempool, full photo. I don't know where it is, guys. It's a funny photo though. So think of think of the mempool as be put into a block, right? So you're just sitting there waiting, paying a ridiculously high fee to be put in the next block and verified and added to the chain. So Bitcoin Cash, I really like that. I want to use that. Bitcoin Cash doesn't have this problem, guys. There's no waiting at all. The mempool doesn't have a wait time. There is no wait time. It's instantaneous. On a microscopic level, it's not instantaneous, but from our perception, it's instantaneous. But yeah, so, all right, so you guys get it. So it's basically, this is probably Bitcoin, Jason, I guess what I was insinuating, you were insinuating. The network, here's the mempool, guys. There's, the block is, the Bitcoin network, it's like allowing this many people, and then when the network's full, it's like so much funnier because it's like a subway train with nowhere to go, and you're having to like pay like $1 billion to get on the subway train. I mean, honestly, guys, the security features that they were arguing does not constitute this being a non-upgradable thing. This is like third world country transportation here for Bitcoin. That's what BTC has unfortunately became. Maybe it'll be digital gold or whatever they say, but as a payment system, it's failed. It's no more. All right, so guys, if you're just tuning in, we're live. This is a Bitcoin podcast, Bitcoin Cash, crypto. Oh shoot, I took away the wrong thing. Oops. I guess we could deal without me being there, right? You can't see me anyway. It's kind of dark. If you're just tuning in, guys, we're doing a live Bitcoin Cash podcast. We're literally live, guys. If you guys have any questions or anything about crypto that you're concerned about, jump in, say hello, say hi, let us know how you're doing, let us know why you're into crypto. Introduce yourself, guys. I'm glad you're here. I'm having some technical failures, guys, over here. It's a one-man show, guys, so when things go wrong over here, it's literally pretty much a ghost world. So like when that just happened, that's basically it in a nutshell. So I think you guys are probably seeing a black screen. I'm gonna get that back working here. It should work. All right, guys. All right, I think we're getting back to operating normal. Can somebody verify that you guys can see my screen in a normal fashion? I will go ahead and continue. Just want to make sure I'm being seen here. If you're just watching, guys, welcome to the podcast live. The test, it was on the test network, yes. I want to verify that though. I believe it was on the test network. Guys, let me know if the screen's not showing up. I want to make sure you guys are seeing this. Alright. It was a terabyte block mined. I want to find this article. It was a good article too. It was 3.87 gigabytes. February 7th, 2022. There were several that were mined though. I'm not sure if this is the biggest one. It says it's the biggest in history, so I guess this is the biggest one. 3.87 gigabytes. Fuck. 10 BSV. Somebody got paid. 1 gigabyte. gigabyte blocks have been mined on. Yeah, 1 gigabyte blocks have been mined. Yeah, there's been all sorts of shit happen. There's all sorts of crazy shit that happens on Bitcoin SV, guys. They're pretty freaking cool, dude. Honestly, like for the shit that they do on their network, it just blows my mind. I mean, this is insane, guys. This is like, you know, really Bitcoin SV is cheaper than BCH for payments. But they're kind of like, they don't even care about payments. They're just trying to like maximize commerce online. Like they're trying to build out business infrastructure. I really admire that. And they're kind of like whatever, like not all of them really are like up Craig Wright's ass all the time. Some people like him, some people don't. On BSV, they're kind of like whatever, like if Craig wants to, you know, like push this Satoshi thing, like whatever. But the community is like so much more than that. And, you know, that's why I'm part of the Bitcoin SV community. You know, I don't personally have any issue with Craig Wright. To me, I don't really care. I like to try to stay neutral on stuff. But by absolute no factuality is Bitcoin SV solely Craig Wright. So everybody that thinks Bitcoin SV is solely Craig Wright, unfortunately, it's just not true. So, not trying to offend anybody, but it is what it is. All right, I'm just gonna read some of these chats, guys. If you're just tuning in, thank you for watching the live stream. It's like we're getting like, I think I looked last night, I had about 51 people, or there might have been more actually, now that I think about it. I think it was like 60 or 70 people rolled through the chat, guys. So if you're here, we're glad you're here. Thanks for turning out tonight. All right, I'm just gonna go through these chats before I take a break. Not sure about terabytes on BSV. That's the BCH on Friday. We're testing out new tech. BCH scales to demand. Yes, normal. Thank you, Bitcoin Jason. Thank you, sir. Appreciate you verifying that we're live here, good to go. It's kind of haunted me in the back of my mind when I start adjusting things, because I am, guys, like I said, I'm rigged over here. I'll probably get a better setup at some point. Future's pretty bright on all fronts, so hoping to have a better setup maybe in the next year or two. So if you're just tuning in, guys, it's a live Bitcoin Cash video feed podcast. The gigabyte sounds correct on the main BSV. David, are you like a tech guy, man? You seem to know a lot about like calling me out if my BSV, like the terabyte, the number is not right, and like if it's like I'm having to like go online and look if the gigabytes were the right size blocks, and like I'm saying terabytes, gigabytes. We all know that I'm not tech savvy, so you must be kind of like a tech person in crypto. I don't know if you are, man. Let us know. Definitely like to keep that discussion going. Guys, if you're just tuning in, we're live on Bitcoin Cash podcast. Love doing these podcasts, guys. Love doing this. My name's Chadwick Bailey. I'm the host of this live video feed. And we're just here opening up discussion about anything crypto related, guys. Feel free to drop by, hit us on the rerun. We love anybody to stop by, so enjoy the show. Guys, I've been rolling this show for, we're going at like an hour. I don't know how long we've been streaming, but I haven't gotten through been going on almost an hour, I think. I'm still on the Bitcoin Cash Australian dollar chart, so I want to get back from this little, I'm going to get some more tea, and when I get back, I'm going to try to maybe go through the couple charts. Guys, if you want any Bitcoin Cash, let me know. Even if you're hitting this on the rerun, drop me a message. I'll work out a way to send you some Bitcoin Cash. Let me know. I am here for anybody who needs my help. Guys, if you're just tuning in, it's a live Bitcoin Cash podcast. Literally here live, opening up a live discussion about cryptocurrency. You can come by, drop by, ask questions, enlighten the community. Just stop by and hang out, let us ride in the background. Glad to be here. Try to put this together every night, guys. Try to come out. Try to be here for the community, and if we can just reach 1 or 2 people, guys, a night, that's a milestone for me. So feel free to stop by, learn something new, introduce yourself, catch us on a rerun, maybe see when we're playing. There's no real set schedule to come on. I kind of come on when I can. I know that's not really beneficial for anybody, including me, because I'm not having to be here, but I want to be here. I want to be here for Bitcoin Cash mostly, and cryptocurrency, and anybody getting involved in crypto that has questions or just kind of want to know more about it. I'm here to promote cryptocurrency. Very passionate about it. So if you have questions or have any kind of anything at all, just reach out to us here on the channel. We'll gladly step you through, help you through, get you an idea. I'm trying to see if I can get a camera myself back on here, guys. All right, guys, we are live. Bitcoin Cash. I am live. Whoa, that is bright. Have to turn that down, guys. That is just too bright. No need to see me, guys. I'm just a voice in the background. I am here with you guys, though. I'm live. This is a Bitcoin Cash podcast. Feel free to drop by. Can't say it enough. Happy to be here. Kind of coasting through the night. It's going to be late, guys. It's going to be an early show. Not a lot going on with price right now, guys. Price is just kind of floating around. We're floating around some different numbers here. If we break out over the weekend, Zcash has still been the star for the day. Monero, see what's going on with the price. Waves, here we go. It's happening, guys. All-time high right here. USD, baby. Ruble, baby. Look at this. We're going higher. We're going to all-time highs on the ruble with waves. Oh man, if waves goes higher, then all the other ones are going higher too. Expect it all, guys. These are all gonna pump. Guys, if you're just tuning in, it's a live Bitcoin Cash podcast. Turn up with us, guys. Stop by, say hi, introduce yourself, be part of the community. Get out, get off your asses. We're here. We're glad you're here with us, guys. We're glad to be here. I looked at quite a bit on BSV. I'm not really good at it. Just have Asperger's. Looking at BSV briefly, basically. Tip sent. Thank you, Bitcoin Jason. Thank you, my man. Appreciate that. What is Waves? Yeah, Waves was that pro. I don't think you were, Jason. I think you weren't here for that discussion I had one night. I did a live stream. We had a pretty good talk about Waves. It's just a cryptocurrency down here. It's not a big crypto, but pretty good market share. It's traded at quite a few places, Binance, all the big ones, but it's been around for a while, and I think that you would agree with me that most of these cryptocurrencies kind of follow this general big uptrend if they're worth any kind of value, right? So Bitcoin Cash is true to that statement, I think, as well. So Waves is basically They have a decentralized platform where you can build tokens on top of waves. You can do a lot of stuff. Big project, big money behind it, and it's going to an all-time high. So these are the all-time highs on the ruble. Here's an all-time high right here just a few weeks ago, like 1 or 2 weeks ago, and it's going to go for another all-time high. So this breaks out to an all-time high. Other altcoins break out to an all-time high against the ruble, the dollar, the whatever, against Bitcoin, against Ethereum. They all start rallying. So what's Waves? Waves is just part of this cycle of crypto that you're probably very aware about. You probably just don't know this project. A lot of people don't know about it. I just know about it because I owned it at one point. I wish I still owned it. But yeah, I think I owned it back here. I made some money on it, so it was good. It was never a project I was like super invested in. Just a project that's been around that will rally with all the winners. And you sent a tip, Jason. Thank you for that. I'm just gonna pull it up on my wallet, guys. And I have multiple wallets now because I synced my wallet to. Guys, cryptocurrency literally, you literally find new stuff about it all the time that just gets you even more excited about using it. So Bitcoin Jason just sent me guys a payment. He is all the way in Australia, guys. These might seem like the most basic. Okay, Jason, you sent me 4 cents. This is what I love to see, guys. You can't even make this payment. You can't even make this transaction on Bitcoin right now. You can. You want to send somebody, you're going to pay more in a transaction fee. Not smart, guys. With Bitcoin Cash, you literally can, get on your phone. You can send somebody Bitcoin Cash. It can be like a fun experience. Like Bitcoin Jason just sent me 4 cents USD. Guys, we can just pull it up for shits and giggles, but the current average Bitcoin transaction fee. Transaction fee. Alright guys, so right now $1.96 if you guys want to transact on BTC, and the market's quiet right now. Back in May it was almost $60. I mean, what the fuck? I mean, seriously? It's $1.09. So there is no tipping on Bitcoin. Okay, there might be tipping on Bitcoin Lightning Network, and then you're just opening up payment channels with a whole bunch of people. So maybe they're waiting for you to go offline, or you're waiting for them to go offline to compromise your funds. But in either case, that transaction that Bitcoin Jason just did, it can't occur. You can't do it on Bitcoin, guys. You can't get on here and send somebody a tip, just for fun, just for the amusement, just for the hell of it, whether it makes you feel good or it makes the other party feel good. You can't even do it on Bitcoin. There's no point. This BTC legacy, I mean, I get it, it's a store of value, but it just, we don't have to argue about it. The fundamentals for a payment system are right there. It just doesn't make sense. So that's where we're at with it, guys. It might seem like an out of breath battle at this point, but it is what it is, guys. If you're just tuning in, thank you for watching the podcast. We're live. I tried to move 40 cents in BTC. I couldn't do it. Yeah, Bitcoin Jason, you're not going to be able to do it, and you're not going to be able to do it. And it's good that you tell everybody that you're still trying to do it, because I try to do it all the time. You have bad experiences with Bitcoin, guys. Newbies, people that come into Bitcoin that want to exit profit, stop losses and, exit out into fiat. When I got turned on to Bitcoin, I got caught up in a trade where I was waiting hours for a BTC wallet transfer to another wallet so I could exit out on the exchange. So, a lot of these new people, that want to go explore into different altcoins, they can't even get out of their position because they don't even know where the hell their Bitcoin's at, because it's waiting in the mempool to be verified, and they're paying a ridiculous fee, and it just does not make sense. So I get a little wound up about it, guys, just because I had to use Litecoin, I had to use Bitcoin Cash when I finally figured out, and Litecoin's not super cheap either, guys. So I don't think that, just making another coin is the answer. I think it was done right with Bitcoin Cash. But yeah, you get stuck in those trades because you have no exit point. So anybody trying to trade crypto, you basically get kind of screwed from the get-go. You buy Bitcoin thinking, oh, I'm just gonna trade for Doge, and then you can't get your Bitcoin out. You can't get your Doge out until you get Bitcoin, and then you get stuck in Bitcoin. So, dude, your Saturday Night Live. Dude, your Saturday Night Live is tonight? Nice, LL. Man, it's every night. Luke, what are you talking about, man? We've been here for 3 hours. You're late to work, my man. Luke Kahn in the house, guys. Thanks for turning out tonight. It's a live Bitcoin Cash podcast. Feel free to drop by. We're live, guys, so, we're taking it there. Welcome to cyberspace. Friday, Saturday, Monday, Sunday. We're always here. Bitcoin Jason says, some clown tried to tell me to use Lightning and I couldn't even move it to Lightning. Yeah, it's confusing as fuck because the Lightning network, I think on my Exodus wallet, it wants me to sign up for a KYC FTX exchange as if I'm buying crypto from the Exodus wallet, aka the FTX exchange that it's asking me to sign up for. I was just trying to move Bitcoin into Bitcoin Lightning Network. So had an issue with that. I decided not to even trade any Bitcoin Cash for it. I didn't want to lose the fee money to do all those maneuvers to get my money into Lightning. So I gave up on it, but nonetheless, it's not simple to do. It's not easy to do. It's not fun to do, and it just sounds confusing. It's like Facebook's Libra. You can't reinvent something that's already great. You could improve on it, but you can't reinvent it. That's what they've tried to do with Lightning. Luke, man, you can make up all these excuses on why you're running late to the live feed, man, but you're the one that's late. So I might have said 26th. I might have said 22nd, but Bitcoin Cash doesn't sleep, Luke, and neither do I. So for the time being, I will host these shows when I can. No time limit on tonight. It's definitely going to be an early show. I got to be up in the morning. I got to handle some things in the morning, so I have to be up fairly early. I have to be up fairly early tomorrow. So if anybody wants to keep the live feed going, party doesn't have to stop, but you can't stay here. You don't have to start partying. You just can't stay here. What's that phrase? I still haven't even remembered it from the other night. I had a reminder for the 26th. Yeah, Luke, man, I love you too, man. I love you, man. I love you, man. Guys, if you're just tuning in, we are live. Bitcoin Cash, cryptocurrency live podcast. Feel free to drop by, guys. We'd love to have you on the show. Not much going on tonight on the prices, but everything's going on behind the scenes. If you're just joining, guys, we're glad you're here. We do a live video feed on Bitcoin Cash. Anything related to cryptocurrency, anything related to price movements, anything related to adoption. I'd say anything related to crypto is open for discussion. Uncensorable. Feel free to say anything you want. Cuss somebody out in the chat room. Cuss somebody out. Cuss me out. It won't be banned unless everybody wants to ban it. We're uncensored here, guys. We're live. If you got any questions about what cryptocurrency even is or what cryptocurrency does, if you're new to crypto or you know somebody that's new to crypto, tell them to stop by. We got a great group of people here, guys. cruising through the night. No schedule, no nothing, guys. We're just full-time adopters right here on the internet, trying to get this shit rolled out for the entire world. Says goes, you ain't gotta go home, but you sure as hell need to get the fuck out of here. Haha, I think that was a lot closer. That's still, Luke, is not the one I was thinking about. It's very close, though. You ain't gotta go home, but you can't stay here. Yeah, you just added some stuff to it. I like that, Luke. You got it. Yeah, you're late to class, my man. Yeah, man, nothing really has happened so far tonight, guys. We're in weekend mode. I am finally, after 10 years of my life, just in a great position, guys, with cryptocurrency and life in general, and life is amazing. It's good to be here and to have time at the end of the night to be part of cryptocurrency and be part of the great movement, and just be here with you guys in the community that are really interested in kind of the same thing that I am, which is peer-to-peer electronic cash, and people are into this stuff. It's so freaking cool. It gets people excited, you know, and we're the ones out here actually on here doing it, guys. I'm taking time out of my night. You know, I could be, you know, reading a book or sitting by a cozy fire, drinking hot chocolate, you know, partying, going out, hanging out with my fam. But I put all that on hold, guys, and I come on here and, you know, I hope to reach just 1 or 2 people a night with cryptocurrency. And, you know, if you guys got any questions, you got any things, you know, cool facts or cool debate items, let's talk about it, guys. We're here. It's open discussion. Anybody's welcome. So you're all welcome on this channel. If you're just joining us, guys, live feed, Bitcoin Cash. Straight chilling. Yeah, straight chilling, my man. Straight chilling is right. I don't think it could get any more chill than this, man. Guys, I am going to take a break. Feel free to drop me a comment. Feel free to drop me a tip, man. My boy Bitcoin Jason has been hooking me up recently, man. I could almost count on me that any payments coming my way is from him, man. He's sending tips. He's being generous. Send me a Bitcoin Cash payment up in the top right corner, guys. Send me a couple pennies, or send me under a penny. Do the network a favor. Do yourself a favor. Send your grandma Bitcoin Cash, your mom, your sister, your brother, your dad, your cousin, your aunt. Send to anybody you can Bitcoin Cash whenever you can. Anytime's a good time to send Bitcoin Cash. We are live, guys. We are turning out. It is the weekend. We are feeling peer-to-peer electronic cash tonight. We are literally gearing up for the entire world right now. This is literally how you gear up for the entire world, guys. Right here. Never gets old. If you're turning in, we are getting going tonight. We are going live. We are out promoting Bitcoin Cash on the internet. We're just live on the internet, guys, promoting Bitcoin Cash. Nobody's paying us to be here. Nobody's getting paid to be here. The only payments that we're getting are we're sending to people and receiving to people. Totally anonymous. None of my videos will ever get paid to me because I got music running in the background, and I don't care. The music's just for your enjoyment. It's for my enjoyment, your enjoyment, the community's enjoyment. You know, if I had 1 million people right here, I think if I took off the music, I think it would kill the channel. I mean, really, it really kind of keeps it going, keeps it flowing. We can bring up discussions. We can take a break. You don't want to hear me ramble, so it's a good way to pause that. So the idea of this is not to make money. The idea of this is to get the community and the world aware of what Bitcoin Cash is. The price of Bitcoin Cash, guys, is going to go up no matter what. Money is not what I'm worried about. I have money. I have Bitcoin Cash. So this might look really small now. It's going to be very apparent very soon. You guys are just tuning in, guys. This is a live Bitcoin Cash. I sent a cent, my man, Bitcoin Jason. It's fun, isn't it? You actually you're like, I don't know. When I do it, I'm not not having a good time. I'm like, I just get so stoked. I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm sending this small amount of money across the seas, and it literally, I mean, I got to see this for my own two eyes, Jason. If you sent me pennies or less than pennies, it's just crazy, my man. It's crazy. I mean, guys, look at this. You tell me another way right now, from the touch of your phone, you could go online and you could do that. One person all the way on the other side of the world has just sent me a penny with a touch of a button. Nowhere in the world, no other software, app, or any of this other crap, Venmo. Can you imagine doing this with Venmo? You can't even, you can do it right here, guys. He just did it. He just sent me a penny. I mean, it's just so cool, man. Jason, thank you. Thank you for that penny. I mean it, and I would love to return the favor to you at some point. It's not about the penny, guys. It's about the transaction. Music is good. Yeah, thanks for the music, guys. I can take requests on music, but my goal at the end of the day is, like I said, this channel is literally to bring awareness to Bitcoin Cash, people around the world. I'll do it as long as I physically and mentally can. I will never stop promoting Bitcoin Cash. Guys, some price fluctuations on Zcash have been pretty good today. I don't know if everybody's following Zcash. It's been going pretty up today, which is good because every time Zcash seems to take off and then kind of run sideways, some of the other altcoins kind of go up. So, guys, I'm going to take a quick little break. Thank you very much for coming out tonight, guys. It's not a planned show. It's a live show, guys. I'm literally here. I'm glad everybody has come out tonight. It's good to be here. Good to be part of Bitcoin Cash. This is really the only place we can go right this second to promote Bitcoin Cash. So I'm all for it. If you're all for it, drop by. I'm glad you're here. And when I get back, I'd like to really kind of go through some of this stuff on here. It's good to revisit it on another night, on another mood, on another discussion. I mean, every time we hit this graph, there's something new that kind of unfolds. This becomes less relevant, that becomes more relevant. So if you're turning out, guys, this is a live Bitcoin Cash podcast. It's cryptocurrency around the board, talking any cryptocurrency, from Zcash to Dash, anything mineable, anything crazy, we talk about it here. Feel free to drop by, tell your friends, family about us. This is a place for noobs to come too. I want noobs to feel welcome here, guys. If you're new to crypto, just drop by. What the hell? Stop by. We've got tons of people in the chat throughout the night that can tell you what's good with crypto, what's not. Guys, I'm going to take a break. Looks like some people have taken a break from the chat too. So, we're in weekend mode, guys. That's why I got the weekend colors on the thumbnail. I thought it was pretty good, all considered, right? It's like riding out to the desert in the middle of the night in cyberspace with the greatest money in the world, Bitcoin Cash. You're just tuning in, guys. We're live. Feel free to introduce yourself if you're new, if you never said anything. There's 50-something people coming through here, and not everybody's saying hello, so feel free to drop by regularly and contribute to the chat. Got a lot of good stuff flying back and forth. A lot of good brains come on this channel, so sit back, guys. We're live. I've been trying to take a break here for 30 minutes, but it's just one of those days, one of those nights. Bitcoin Cash, guys, 363 USD. Kind of in the sideways motion for the last day or two. As we see some sideways motion right here. We know means nothing for a crypto. It can run sideways for 2 or 3 days and then jump 20-30%. Yeah, we got Jason on the Bitcoin RBTC Reddit looking at some stuff. Guys, I have got to take a break here. I am fading through the night. I apologize. I'm off tonight. It has been a long one today. I had to go to the DMV, which if you're in America, you know how much of a hassle that is when you got to go to the DMV. It's like a whole big old deal. All right, man. You guys keep the chat going. I'm gonna bounce out for a minute. Appreciate everybody turning up tonight. Live Bitcoin Cash. Free, uncensored podcast, guys. Turn up with us. Come down here. Spend some time. If you got time, cruise by. Drop a comment. David, I did not get your link to a song request go through, but you could just fire it in the chat. Tell me the name. I can look it up. Throw it in there. If you want to get one of your Bitcoin Cash songs that put you in the mood, feel free, man. It's Friday, bro. I'm here to accommodate. If you're just turning in with us, guys, we're live. Bitcoin Cash. Glad everybody's in the house. Taking it late tonight. The memberships are growing, guys. I got 223 subscribers, creeping along. The goal at the end of the day is to have every one of those subscribers subscribe not only to Bitcoin Cash, but the idea of peer-to-peer electronic cash, cryptocurrency. If you can't use it, it's just not cool. It's just so much cooler if you can use it. So think about that if you're new. English medieval song number 2. Okay, is that what I need to search? Okay, I can do that. Medieval English. Medieval. I don't know how to spell that. Medieval. Song 2. Okay, it's pulling it up. So, medieval. The one with 600 views. Okay. So, if this is classical music, man, I'm gonna be really honest. I love classical, so this looks like it right here. Okay. All right. Sorry, man. I'm one of those people that has to spoil a movie if I can have the opportunity. I gotta see where this song's going. Okay. All right, man. Let me restart it from the beginning. Guys, if you're just tuning in, guys, we're live Bitcoin Cash. We got a music request by Mr. Cardenas. Do you guys know ₚ😏 the Prophet? I believe ₚ😏 is on Jeremy's. I think he has a crypto podcast of some sort. I've seen him. That name sounds really familiar. In fact, I know his name is ₚ😏. I don't know if that's who you're talking about, but I don't know ₚ😏 the Prophet. I don't know if that's somebody's nickname, but I don't prodigize people as prophets or, think that they're. I don't believe in any of that crap. So, I wasn't expecting this song, Cardenas. I'm not gonna lie. people are leaving the chat room, so I don't know if it's good for business, but I'm gonna let it roll, man, because you're always coming into the chat, man, and I kind of dig the music, bro. I kind of like the little I don't know if they're flutes in the background or what, but nonetheless, I'm digging it. I'm gonna take a break, guys. Let this music bounce out, and be back in a minute. Thank you for the mood change, Cardenas. Much appreciated. I'm gonna let your song ride out. Guys, if you're just tuning in, it's the live Bitcoin Cash podcast, video cast. We're here to discuss crypto live. Here for anybody in the community that wants to talk about any topic they can even think about, anything that's on their mind. Come through, guys. Talk to us. We're here to help. We're here to. We are here to help. It's really dope if you connect VLAD out with VLAD out in Mass to you at East Coast, West Coast mashup. So VLAD lives in Massachusetts, I'm assuming. Luke. VLAD does charts, I think. Yeah, I don't know if I want to, I don't want to connect with people and bring them into the chat unless they have, I don't know if it's a good idea, honestly, Luke. Bringing VLAD's traffic over here to the chat, I don't know that he's going to be as committed as I am. I can't base what I'm doing on other people collaborating on what they're doing. My channel here is really kind of no man's land, and I want to keep it that way. I want people from the far ends of cyberspace to somehow reach my channel. And we might not ever get many people through here, other than 7 to 10 people, which I'm cool with. I mean, throughout the video cast, I've noticed I've been getting about 40 to 50, 60, 70, upwards to 80 people kind of coming through. So if any of those people are noobs, and VLAD's on here trying to do, Fibonacci levels and, technical indicators, even though we might be geeking out and having a good time on it, I don't know that it would be good for noobs to come on and hear that. And he might be, super good at technical analysis, and, he might be super into Bitcoin Cash. And I don't question any of his, his heart or mind being in the wrong place. I just think for the purpose of this channel, your music might not be, it's not too loud for me, but I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I don't think, whoa, that's too loud. But, yeah, I don't know if VLAD coming on here, I don't know if it would really, yeah, I don't know, this might be Leprechaun music. It does sound like Leprechaun music. I'm Irish, so I'm getting a little Irish spirit right now, I feel like. But yeah, I don't think VLAD coming on here throwing down a technical analysis would really be good for Bitcoin Cash business. And I don't mean business like a profitable thing. I mean business like getting the word across. No, VLAD won't do any of that. Yeah, I mean, Luke, if you want to hook me up with VLAD and make it happen, I am all cool to, to wire him in if you guide me. I'm not gonna put any work into it. I'm way too busy to collab with VLAD. It's hard enough for me to just get to the computer to excuse me. It's hard enough for me to get to the computer and do these podcasts, man. Honestly. So I'm gonna have to say kindly no to that. But if you want to set it up with him, or him, or you're cool with him, and he wants to one night that we're on here live or whatever, and he wants to come on the podcast, I'd be down. I'd be down any night of the week to do that. If he wants to come up, roll up, say what he thinks about Bitcoin Cash, maybe he can enlighten me, enlighten anybody on the channel that's new. I've seen a couple of his videos. Honestly, he seems like he trades he seems to kind of be into a lot of different stuff, a lot of different cryptos. So I'd have to make sure, if he came on here, it would be strictly about, Bitcoin Cash, because I don't want anybody coming on here trying to, I'm not saying he's trying to pump and dump or pump something. That probably is not the case at all, but nonetheless, this is an uncensored channel. He can come in here, anybody can come here, they can try to pump a coin. It'll probably get shut down pretty quick. Nobody's gonna buy any of that stuff. But yeah, he's down to come through. Bless you, bless soul, ℚ𝕚, we'll just chop it up, not TA. Yeah, I mean, yeah, he could definitely, ℚ𝕚 could definitely roll through. I don't know if you know him or, he wants to come through, tell him he's welcome to come through. I'm definitely not going to be opposed to, a former or a fellow Bitcoin casher coming on. Absolutely, yeah. So tell ℚ𝕚 to roll up. That's fine. No objection to any of that, guys. Anybody want to roll up on the channel, give Bitcoin Cash a blessing. Absolutely. Feel free. Guys, if you're just tuning in, we're doing a live Bitcoin Cash podcast, going through tons of things related to Bitcoin Cash, tons of things related to crypto. Luke, man, if you want to go hang out on ℚ𝕚's channel, man, you can. Luke, you think I'm worried about traffic? Man, I can't even trust his number on who's watching this shit. It says 4 people watching. Yeah, man, tell ℚ𝕚 to roll up. If he wants to bring some traffic over, I'm not opposed to it. Music is overpowering your voice. Good to know. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I'm just going to turn it up. No, I'm just kidding. Turn it down here. Thank you, Jason, for that. I know some of his followers will love following you as well. Yeah, Luke, I like to think more leaders are on this channel than followers, but I guess at the same time we could all motivate each other. So yeah, tell ℚ𝕚 to roll through. That's all good. Definitely if ℚ𝕚 wants to bring his followers over, if they're for Bitcoin Cash, definitely. Guys, if you're just tuning in, we're doing a live Bitcoin Cash podcast. Literally turn up with us, guys. Cruise by, drop by, say hello. Great to have you on the channel, guys. Everybody's here. If you love crypto, you're passionate about crypto, you definitely probably reached a good spot to post up. Because we're all about that here on this channel, guys. We're all for cryptocurrency, decentralized private currencies that don't have any hold over us. It's pretty simple belief. So if you guys are into empowering yourselves by being in control of your money, we can talk about that here. It's a pretty common discussion, it seems like. We talk about, I'd probably say it is probably libertarian mindset, a lot of the conversations on here, but I wouldn't say all of them are. A lot of good stuff on this channel, guys. So if you're just turning in, guys, it's a live Bitcoin Cash podcast. You're welcome to bring any concerns that you have here. Guys, I'm going to take a break. Feel free to turn out. Guys, if you're just tuning in or you're just catching this on the rerun, it's a live Bitcoin Cash podcast. Free, open, uncensorable data cramming on YouTube. Stop by, say hi. We're live, guys. Bitcoin Cash. Luke, and I read your message as I walked away. Yeah, man. Luke, we're hardcore Bitcoin Cash here. I mean, literally, this is the only place on the internet right now that you could probably stop at that's having like an active online Bitcoin Cash hangout. And man, I'm here for you, man, and vice versa. You know, this is supporting Bitcoin Cash. It's getting out here on the internet. You know, if anybody comes by here by mistake, you know, or on the whim about crypto, you know, that is, to me, is just amazing. If I can touch one or two people and enlighten them on crypto, you know, if I could have found this channel when I was in crypto, like, I would be so set right now. I would have tons of Bitcoin Cash, tons of Bitcoin Cash by now. Luke Khan, man, thanks for coming back again, brother. It means a lot, man. I can't thank you enough for coming out, brother. Appreciate you spending the time with us this evening. Good night, Mr. Luke. Bitcoin Jason, man, thanks for hanging out tonight, brother. Oh, man. Guys, the podcast is coming to an end here. I gotta time it out early tonight. It's never early, it's never late. We're always here live, guys. I like to think maybe in the near future I will literally be in a position where I can keep this live feed on 24/7. You know, it's obvious I would have to sleep. There'd have to be other people on it. But at some point, I'd like to have a Bitcoin Cash feed open literally 24/7, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. No holidays, no breaks. It's crypto. We don't take breaks. But that is one of my goals. So it's a goal I work for, guys. You know, not there yet. Definitely can't have a 24-hour Bitcoin Cash feed talking about dollars, talking about Bitcoin. Your boy's gotta work. But in the meantime, if I get to that point, it's something I'd like. A live 24/7 cryptocurrency help center, question center. You know, get answers, get facts. They're gonna get facts here. It's not gonna be mumbo jumbo. People will call people out on bullshit. And it's already happened the last couple of videos, so it is what it is, man. Crypto in the end of the day, it wins. So I can't try to sit here and act like I know everything about it. Nobody in the chat room can, but it's a good group of people around here that can address things that might not be known by somebody who just got in. You know, we can do technicals all night. I can play with a computer mouse, but at the end of the night, if you haven't been in crypto, you just don't know really how it works. You don't know a lot of stuff about it. That's why the channel's here, guys. To remind everybody on it why we're here, and to help anybody that comes on that might be lost. Because everybody is when they first get into crypto. There's something like 20,000. I mean, I don't even know how many cryptocurrencies there are now. Tons, way more than the last 4 or 5 years. Guys, if you're just turning in or hitting us on the rewind, we're live talking about Bitcoin Cash. A couple people in the chat. Look like we lost a couple people. We got 4 people in the chat. Hi Chad, the music and live BTR chart we'll do when you're out. Yeah, I need to, yeah, I should probably do that. So have the chart set at hourly or 10-minute, let the music play. Yeah, I should probably do that. Let's do a little test run on that, guys. Put it in beta testing real quick here. So guys, if you're turning in, we're doing a live chat on Bitcoin Cash, basically any crypto, really. We can talk about Bitcoin being Bitcoin Cash. We can talk about BTC Core, if anybody wants to talk about Core. We talk about BSV, any crypto really, Doge, any of them go. We love them all here at Bitcoin Cash, so you know, bring your favorite currency, bring your favorite token or coin or whatever. We'll talk about it. Let me throw this 10-minute chart up, Jason. Let's see what this looks like here. That way, if I'm leaving out, we can. So you're saying put it on the 10 minutes? I don't see a 10 minutes. I think 15 minutes would do. We'll see. I don't know. What do you think about 5 minutes? Is it too aggressive? I don't know. I think 15 minutes is where it's at. Love being here. Yeah, man, we love you being here too, Bitcoin Jason, man. If this is where you feel at home, bro, feel free to, you know, pull up, throw down. We're glad you're here, bro. You know, we're just a little piece of sand in space, man. But we're out here, bro. Bitcoin Cash, man. We're here live. If you're just tuning in, guys, Bitcoin Cash, live crypto. Feel free to turn up, guys, if you're just reaching cryptocurrency or you're on the edge about crypto. Have anything you'd like to discuss about crypto. This is a live feed, totally live. I'm doing it live. Everybody in the chat room is doing it live. So feel free to, you know, say anything in the chat you like. Bitcoin Jason is lighting the chat up. Let's see. That way the candles will go up and down. Oh, you want candles, Jason? You got it, my man. Let me set some candles up. Maybe I should put it on the day. What do you think? I could leave candles and then leave, I do like the lines in comparison, but I could always change it. I guess the candles does make a little more sense. Okay, guys, just doing a test run right now. If you're just logging in, a couple people in the chat. Doing a live Bitcoin Cash podcast, guys. Try to come out here. Try to come out here a little bit, guys, and just kind of try to spread cryptocurrency, Bitcoin Cash, spread the word, answer questions, talk about current stuff going on. You know, just little stuff like that. All right, Bitcoin Jason is saying this is the one. Okay, so yeah, I like this, dude, not gonna lie. Yeah, so what am I on here? Just so I know when I set it next time. I'm on a 15-minute on the day. I think the day is the best one for this, just so we can see it moving in real time. I mean, when I go to 5 day, it's really gonna be not visible. So yeah, do something like that. Yeah, guys, if you turn it out tonight, thank you so much, guys. I'm gonna have to wrap the show up here, guys, here in a little bit, but definitely appreciate everybody coming out tonight, guys. Kind of a last minute show I threw together. It's live, guys. Feel free to ask anything about crypto. Feel free to talk up any crypto. We are crypto, guys, so shoot me your address. I got you crypto. I got things for sale, guys, for crypto too. You know, if you guys want to buy anything, my car, anything, everything's got a price, guys. Everything's got a price, and anybody can pay that price. So anybody want to buy a car that I got, let me know. Bitcoin Jason, there's your candle, man. It's moving right there. So cryptocurrency, guys, is live. We're moving right now. I mean, literally, day or night. The world goes on. Crypto moves up and down. We're at about 360 USD. Not a ton of action with crypto recently. You know, this little jump up for some people might be a lot. For me, it doesn't even faze me. I mean, if I had to base decisions that I make on this, there's no end to it. This is money, guys. This is, you know, I spend crypto every day. If I just because I have crypto right now, guys, I want to be very clear on something. Crypto in my eyes is money. If I have to spend all my crypto right now and end up broke in the biggest bull run that ever occurs in mankind, that is something I'm willing to deal with, because at the end of the day, for me, it's promoting this. This is crypto to me. Bitcoin Cash, BCH, USD. You know, I have other interests in other stuff too. Zcash, Monero, Dash, Ethereum Classic, Neo. You've heard me mention them tons of times. BSV. You know, big holdings, guys, even compared to my Bitcoin Cash. But if we can't get past peer-to-peer electronic cash first, it's really hard to try to start speculating on other stuff. I mean, I'll speculate a little bit, you know, private payments, things like that. But at the end of the day, I can't just jump into just every freaking crypto that's coming out. Solana, Avalanche 1 week, SHIB the next week. I mean, there's already a lot of cryptos that I can get in touch with already and get my hands on very easily. Take them offline, cold storage them, whatever. So at the end of the day, you know, there's tons of different crypto coins, whatever. There has to be some kind of threshold to what you want. I mean, what do you want? What do you guys want out of this? Do you guys want smart contracts? Do you want, you know, peer-to-peer cash? Do you want, you know, insane blockchain experiments with a chain that's essentially worth basically nothing? I mean, BSV has been the worst performing coin up till probably now. You know, and that's just in retrospect. I mean, BSV has fallen to like $90 and under. So yeah, we can go there, but in the short run, you know, it's kind of hard to tell. But I think you'll look back, and I think all these coins will rally. You know, and that's to say all the ones that I just said pretty much we're just kind of doing nothing. So yeah, so Bitcoin Jason, I got this chart up on the hourly. I think it's a good chart to run if I go on a break or something or whatever. I mean, I like watching it move, really, honestly, because it's totally live, guys. This is a live chat if you're just tuning in. Looks like we're having people come off the chat. Breaking big tech news. Yeah, BCH is all coins now. Yeah, it's a good statement, Bitcoin Jason. Yeah, Bitcoin Cash is going to take a big market share here pretty quickly. Most people don't know it'll happen. Most people, even the people that have it, that are holding it in an just in case scenario, I think they're going to have a hard time comprehending that much came into Bitcoin Cash, honestly. Like, I know the whales, the Bitcoin Maxi whales, a lot of them didn't sell their Bitcoin Cash. So I think even those people that are holding it just in case, they might be surprised too by how much, BCH is gonna take back some market share. I am gonna zoom out ₚ but I do like the idea what you were saying with candlesticks. Do it on the day, do it on the 15-minute. I want to switch it back up to line here though, just because I want to see some other stuff here. Man. Yeah, guys, they are. Yeah, man. Bitcoin Cash is it's just really, really underestimated right now. Just real quickly, guys, I think people are fading out of the chat here. I'm gonna end it up and wrap it up here pretty soon. It's getting really late out here, so I'm gonna wrap it up pretty soon. Bitcoin Jason, you've been great, my man. Thanks for sticking around. I don't think there's many people in the chat at this point. It's graveyard hour. Looks like there's a few people watching, maybe 2 or 3. Bitcoin Cash is just an inevitable, and I hope as many people hear me say this as possible. The top limit is not up here at this all-time high. It's literally like so much freaking higher. Like, if you follow crypto, I mean, you want to pick which one you want to ride to the top. It just seems like Bitcoin Cash, from everything crypto, is like, I mean, it's so much higher than $4,000. It's like at least, I don't know, man. I think it could go to 20K. I know people think it's crazy, but between me and you and Bitcoin Jason, I think Bitcoin Cash could easily go to 20K. That's just a short-term prediction. How is XEC going? I don't know. How is XEC going? Let's check it out. eCash. Man, I haven't followed this shit really, honestly. I've not followed it. It's not looking good from the charts. It hasn't looked good for a while. This fork, I mean, I don't know. It looks like it's automated on just a few exchanges, but these are big exchanges: Upbit, Binance. I don't have any of this. I know it was a fork, but I just didn't partake in it. Maybe it'll go up a lot, but it's worth, like, you'd have to really kind of, I think more if you want to invest in it, then you determine if it's worth your risk reward. For me, it's not. So I don't have enough. I didn't have enough Bitcoin Cash to get anything where this really mattered for me, but it's cool to take a look at, I guess. I don't know if TraderView even has it. Let me see. CC. What did you say it was called? eCash, XEC. Yeah, they don't have it. Yeah, they don't have. I don't see eCash on here. Okay, eCash on Tether, eCash on the dollar, Bitfinex. Yeah, it's here. eCash. I don't understand this. Is that really the the dump on Bitfinex. Some of these graphs are just really fucked. eCash. We can tell you BSV needs to reach 2K TPS for it to stay live. David, man, you're way too technical for me, bro. That went way over my head, but I love that you threw it down in the chat, bro. If you have anything else like that, man, throw it down in the chat. We'll eventually get somebody that will appeal to. That went right over my head, but I kind of get what you're saying. Yeah, I hear you. But Bitcoin SV is doing all that test stuff on their network. I mean, I know they're not like coming up with hardware to like make crazy shit happen, but they kind of are. They're getting there. All right, let's see. Tether USD. Yeah, man. Bitcoin Jason, I think I might have to. I don't know, man. I think I'm gonna have to retire this thought of us looking up eCash. Just curious, Jason, do you have a bunch? You got my eCash from the fork? Oh yeah, you're just holding it from the fork. Yeah, no, for sure. Yeah, it's definitely the way to make money in crypto is to just fork the coins every fork they're getting and then just hold them. That's what makes me think that Bitcoin Cash, probably Bitcoin SV too, probably Bitcoin Gold. They're all gonna go really, really high. eCash. I don't know a lot of exchanges trading eCash. Is there a lot of, I don't know if my wallet even supports it. I'm curious to know if I do though. Yeah, I did not participate in the eCash fork, just so anybody joining the channel or watching this on a rerun. I know it was a fork that was happening. It's extremely late, guys, so I'm kind of moving kind of slow here. Here. Yep, no eCash. You subscribe to on TradingView? I'm not subscribed, Bitcoin Jason. No, I'm using a free TradingView. Guys, if you're just joining in, we are live on Bitcoin Cash. Thank you for joining in, guys. If you're just watching the end of the podcast, we are glad you are here, catching us on the rerun, coming through in the evening, just saying what's up. Glad everybody's here. It's a place on the internet where you can go. It's live, uncensored. I'm not gonna block anything here, guys. Come on over to the live feed on cryptocurrency right on the internet right now. Yeah, we're looking at all sorts of stuff. We're looking at eCash over here, fork of Bitcoin Cash, doing a TA or two. We actually looked at no graphs the entire night. It's kind of just a weekend night, but if you're feeling free, come by. We'll be here tomorrow. We'll be here whenever. We'll be here Sunday. Come by, check us out. If you're new to crypto, drop by. We'll send you some cryptocurrency. Talk about cryptocurrency, whatever you have interest in cryptocurrency, it will be discussed here. Thanks for turning out, guys. Bitcoin Jason, if you have some untouched BCH part of the fork, you can split them. Basically, there's not enough demand for BSV to mine future range. Yeah, Bitcoin Jason, you're the only one talking, man. It's way too late for me to start diving for forked eCash coins, but nonetheless, brother, I feel you. David Cardenas, yeah, I don't think I don't know, David, do you think BSV, should I be worried about my holdings in BSV? I mean, I kind of want to just support BSV because everybody's kind of like, you know, really bad on BSV, man. But it actually works really well too, as a payment system too. It's just I know long term, there's no long term future for BSV being a payment system, at least from what I'm seeing right now. But do you think I should be worried about my BSV holding? Yes, David, I agree. Okay, now I'm getting scared. Bitcoin Jason, do you think I should be worried about my BSV holdings? You know, not that my opinion from what you guys say is gonna change my holdings, guys, because you know, at the end of the day, you know, it is what it is. I got my coins. I never thought I'd be into Bitcoin SV. I am now. I'm into Bitcoin Cash. I've been in Bitcoin Cash since the fork, basically. Some of my Bitcoin Cash at one point was from the fork for Bitcoin Cash. So I need to check my BSV holdings. Yeah, Jason, if you had, I mean, Bitcoin Jason, if your Bitcoin Cash holdings were, you know, I'm not trying to investigate your bag or anything like that, guys. Just to be clear, if anybody's catching this on the rerun, guys, you don't ever have to disclose, like, if you're a big bag holder or what you have, guys. I'm not a huge bag holder or a big bag holder, so I don't want everybody to think this is like, you know, we're ever putting pressure on people telling us their holdings. But Bitcoin Jason, you know, if you had decent Bitcoin Cash prior to the fork, you know, those BSV holdings, you know, they could go up to 20-30x. So yeah, I mean, if you have your BSV holdings, you need to have them accessed because they're gonna fly too. Bitcoin Gold as well. I had Bitcoin Gold from the fork. I don't have any Bitcoin Gold now. It wasn't enough to really matter. But you know, maybe it will now. You know, it would have been a couple Bitcoin Gold, but you know, in the next 20 years, maybe. Guys, I'm gonna go and wrap up the chat, guys. It's been amazing, fantastic. But I am gonna wrap the chat up tonight. Maybe reconvene, maybe tomorrow, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. As long as I have time to do these chats, guys, they're coming out live. If you're just checking us out, it's gonna be live. Bitcoin Cash, crypto. Feel free to turn up, guys. It's just basically live crypto news. Don't have too much of it. I only have 5 BSB planning to get more, but not in a rush to get more. Waiting for more activity on the blockchain. One of the crypto fights. Oh yeah, Cardenas, you were talking about crypto fights. Yeah, Bitcoin Jason, Digibyte's a good project too, man. I don't have any Digibyte, but I do support it. I've learned enough about it where it's convinced me it works not only as a payment system but scalability, and it's had its time in the game. So I'm with you on Digibyte, David. I would love for you to send me your BSV address. I could send you some BSV, get you some more up there. But yeah, BSV's got to get their shit together, man. They gotta start developing something that's not that's more than just test worthy. It just seems like, you know, and I have a large part of my my cryptos in BSV. So, you know, if they're gonna go out and do these huge blocks and, you know, do all this crazy shit, they need to be doing some kind of crazy move into a market that has a function and has a utility. Because right now, all this test network shit is just, you know, nothing. Yeah, I mean, see, that's the thing, man, is every time... Alright, so I want to be clear on how I got into BSV. So when I got into BSV, it was for the very reason you just said. It was every time I'd be like, oh, BSV is not doing this, this, and this. But then you read something that they are doing it. That's what I'm saying. Like, I understand BSV and I understand CoinGeek. Okay? So I understand that BSV and CoinGeek are, obviously they're the same thing here. So if I hear news about BSV on CoinGeek, I'm not as inclined to be sucked into it. But it's not just CoinGeek that I'm hearing the news from. So this is why I got into BSV. So expanding on that, you doubt BSV, you doubt BSV, you doubt BSV, and then you hear like this crazy ass shit that they're doing, and like it's verifiable by like 4 different sources. So, Craig Wright, man, I mean, the dude's fucking going to court in South Florida about trying to be Satoshi. I mean, what the fuck? Gotta throw down for the dude, man. I'll buy some BSV. Alright, so Bitcoin Jason's got DigiByte. Bitcoin Jason, that doesn't come to a surprise that you have DigiByte. You were like the what is it? The Sultan of payments, or the king of payments. So Bitcoin Jason he's bringing the news to the chat that he does have DigiByte, guys. If you're catching this on a rerun, he does have DigiByte. DigiByte is a phenomenal project, guys, and I just want to be real clear on my stance with DigiByte. It's a phenomenal program, and their fees are extremely cheap too. I believe they're actually cheaper than Bitcoin Cash as well. Bitcoin Jason, correct me if I'm wrong on that, but I think DigiBytes are like so freaking small. And DigiByte is a project that has been around for a very long time. It's been around since 2014. It might even go back before that. So this is a original. What is it? An original crypto group of people. Really, this is really probably Satoshi right here too. Maybe that's why Bitcoin Jason has some DigiByte. Maybe he's part of Satoshi. He's just not telling us. But so here we go, guys. DigiByte. It is what it is. It does all the same functions of a crypto with utility. It does payments. It does. It's mineable. Yes, it is mineable. It's really cheap payments. It's extremely cheap payments. I don't know what the fee is. If you want to know more about it, check it out. I got a link on it on my below. I think I got a link on it. So DigiByte, guys, it's a good project. It's been around a super long time. I'm not surprised Bitcoin Jason owns it because he's so big on payments. So this is a great crypto, guys. I don't know if I see DigiByte being like, being a payment platform, but maybe. I don't know. Bitcoin Jason, you think DigiByte's got a chance? BSV is trying to compete with the AWS. Yeah, Cardenas, that's like what I was saying with Craig Wright, man, like going to like court about being Satoshi. Yeah, CoinGeek is BSV. Sultan of payments. I think I meant to say Sultan or Sultan. Maybe it is Sultan. Sultan. Yeah, you're like the. I don't think guru is the right word. You're into payments, my man. It seems to be your thing, which I totally get, man. I mean, payments are like the single-handedly biggest thing in crypto. I mean, without payments, we're standing on a fucking real thin leg, to say the least. But yeah, man, maybe I'll buy some DigiByte, Bitcoin Jason. I gotta make some money first before I can dive into any new positions. Because right now, ℚ just needs more users. I see BCH has the run one. Yeah, Bitcoin Jason, I'm with you on that. Yeah, Bitcoin Cash has definitely got payments on lock. I don't know if ℚ, you know, I know it'll be around in the next 20 years. I mean, it's been around since, you know, way back here. So guys, if you're just tuning in, we're live, Bitcoin Cash. We're coming to the end of the show, but feel free to turn in anytime you can, guys. If you can come by, feel free to come on the show, drop by, say hi. And yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna end the show tonight on a good note. It's been a good show. It's been a good live feed. But I'm fading. So you don't gotta leave. You don't have to party, but you can't stay here. You gotta party somewhere else. So I hope to do this again, guys. I hope to make it a regular thing. But the time is ending. The time is now. And Bitcoin Jason, you can't hit me with this before the end of the chat, man. Dash can be challenging for BCH possibly. I think so, man. I think Dash is got a small market cap compared to Bitcoin Cash even right now. I think it's about at $1 billion, and I think Bitcoin Cash is right under 7 billion. So I mean, like, if your position was in Dash now and it took a leap up to, you know, 30-40 billion, just doesn't seem very unlikely for Dash to do that. So I mean, your coin ℚ did it right here in April and May. I know that's against the ruble, but nonetheless, still jumped pretty high. All right, guys, if you're just tuning in on a rerun, live Bitcoin Cash crypto feed, feel free to drop by and have a great rest of your evening, guys. All right, guys, have a great evening. Bitcoin Jason, I won't be here tomorrow. Yeah, man, just come by when you can. We all get here when we get here, so don't feel like you gotta come in, but if you can get in, even from your phone, come by and drop by and say hello. I like using CoinDance for looking at statistics. I think it's a good source for CoinDance. Yeah, I think I've seen CoinDance. Let me look at that real quick here before I get out. Guys, we're coming up to the end of the show here. We are Bitcoin Jason and Cardenas. We're heading out for the evening. So if you caught us on our way out, we may or may not be here tomorrow. Bitcoin Jason saying he might not be here tomorrow, but we're hoping he can make it through. We're looking at CoinDance.com. Can't even type, man. I'm so tired. Coin.dance. So this is, I've never seen this actually. Oh wow. Yeah, this is dope. It's got the hash rate. Yeah, guys, our hash rate's looking pretty weak on BSV and Bitcoin Cash, but you gotta remember, this is all clogged network. Network nodes, got a little bit of nodes, got a little bit of transactions. Look at Bitcoin SV transactions. Holy shit. It's all crap though. It's all junk. Useless shit. Development. Yeah, I've seen a lot of this is good though. I'm not gonna discredit this. This is a good site. What's that one that I like looking every once in a while? There's I think it's like, I don't know, is this Blockstream? I don't know, it's not Blockchair. No, it's not Blockchair. Bitcoin Cash nodes. guys. If you're just catching us, we're heading out, guys, for the evening. Guys, I wanted to show you this just because you guys brought up some cool shit right before the end of this. Yeah, the block chair. So I like this one, dude. It's pretty cool. You can do the same thing. You can see like different analytical stuff that's really helpful. Transactions, charts, price. They have one for BSV too. That's like, obviously it's trying to push BSV's brand, but it like focuses on all the good shit. But yeah, this is a good one too. Guys, if you're catching us as we're coming out, we're leaving for the evening. Yes, Bitcoin Jason, man, it's been a pleasure, bro. Cardenas, let me catch you guys later. BSV transactions are not merging transactions. They're mostly just gamers playing cycle cards since every player input has a transaction. Is that really all the fucking volume right now is on? I thought that shit was on Test Network. Is it on the main net? Fuck, that's insane. Yeah, man, BSVs, bro. You know, I love BSV, man. I used to not like it, but it's definitely a good community for sure. Digibyte's a good community. Bitcoin Cash, and they're all great, man. All right, guys, I'm gonna I'm heading out for the evening. Yeah, got to keep Bitcoin Cash alive, guys. Gotta keep this dream alive. All right, man. You guys take care tonight, man. We'll reconvene tomorrow. Bitcoin Cash, guys. We're live. Just tuning in, guys. Bitcoin Cash, live crypto podcast. Bitcoin Cash. If you're catching us at the end of the podcast, guys, turn up every night. Tons of crypto news coming through here. People dropping by, saying what's up. Feeling the love of crypto. If you guys like crypto, feel free to drop by. We're heading to the end of the podcast, heading out late. If you love cryptocurrency, you love crypto, you hit the right spot. No problem with that. BSV is a great place. Nice having with this chat. Bitcoin Jason, man, it's been a pleasure, brother. If I can do these every night, I'm gonna keep them up, man. I gotta get Bitcoin Cash out there. BSV just isn't a good investment yet. Way too risky, but the technology is interesting. I would recommend keeping an eye on the tech and possibly see the change before investment to decent. Yeah, it's too late for that, Cardenas. I'm already way down on BSV. I've already washed profits in multiple coins. You know, you can't teach a gambler at the end of the day a lesson, honestly. You know, I like gambling. Do I gamble cryptos? Yes. Do I know that I'm fundamentally probably gonna lose? Yes. You know, I like doing a risky trade here and there. Not gonna lie. You know, is Bitcoin SV something I see turning around and going to probably 5,000 or 6,000? Yeah. Do I see Bitcoin Cash going to 20,000? Yeah. Do I see BTC Core going to 400,000? Yeah. So, you know, my speculation of price is way out there. I'm not planning on selling Bitcoin Cash at 4,000 or 10,000 or 20,000. If I have to sell Bitcoin Cash, I'll sell it at 400. I'll sell it at 20,000. It's not like I don't plan on like not making money like more money. Like as time progresses, I seem to be on this scale of like making more money. So if I buy Bitcoin Cash at 5,000-6,000, I mean, yeah, obviously, you know, I want to buy all the Bitcoin Cash at $75 in 2018, but it doesn't work like that, obviously. So, you know, I plan on getting Bitcoin Cash all the way up. It's not a race. It's a marathon. We're all gonna get there. I'm not racing to buy as much Bitcoin Cash. Like, obviously, if I feel like it's down and I can buy Bitcoin Cash, I do. But I pretty much, anytime I can buy Bitcoin Cash, I do. So it doesn't really matter. Guys, if you're just joining the chat, I see some people came in, left, came back. Whatever. We're doing a live video cast. We got people in the chat, guys. If you're catching this on a rerun, we got Bitcoin Jason, Cardenas. And you got me, Chadwick, guys. We're still here, guys. We're heading out for the evening. So come back on us. Catch us another night when we're live. We're Bitcoin Cash, guys. We love peer-to-peer electronic cash. We're all about sending payments, micro payments. We're not trying to break anybody's wallet by sending a payment. Check us out, guys. We're worth checking out. If you're hitting us on a rerun or you're interested about Bitcoin Cash, it's a live video feed. You can come in here and ask anything about Bitcoin Cash, anything crypto related. We might not be able to answer every single question on every single crypto, but got a pretty good idea of what's been going on. So feel free to come by, ask any questions related to Bitcoin Cash. Somebody will be able to kind of answer the question for you. And looks like I'm the only one in the chat now because I'm looking on my phone. So everybody have a great evening, and we love crypto.